Welcome back to Decor Ideas. Get ready for some fresh and creative woodworking and decor inspiration today. Today we will show you a collection of gorgeous mirror design ideas from scrap wood as easy woodcrafts project. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Transforming scrap wood into a gorgeous mirror is not just a practical woodcraft project, it's an opportunity to engage in a fulfilling and artistic endeavor that reflects personal taste and creativity. In the age of sustainability and DIY culture, repurposing scrap wood not only minimizes waste, but also allows individuals to create stunning pieces that enhance their living spaces. This project embodies the perfect blend of functionality and artistry, providing a unique way to express one's style while embracing the charm of handcrafted decor. The journey begins with the selection of scrap wood, which often carries its own history and character. Each piece of wood has its own unique grain, texture, and color, making it a canvas for creativity. Whether it's leftover lumber from a previous project, reclaimed wood from old furniture, or even pallets, the essence of each piece can inspire the design of the mirror frame. This process of choosing and handling the wood allows for a deeper connection to the materials, fostering a sense of appreciation for the natural beauty and variations found in timber. As you set out to create a mirror, envisioning the design becomes an integral part of the project. This is where personal taste truly shines. The style of the mirror frame can range from rustic and weathered to sleek and modern, depending on the aesthetic preferences of the creator. For those who favor a more traditional look, incorporating intricate carvings or details can add elegance and charm. On the other hand, a minimalist approach with clean lines and smooth finishes may appeal to those who prefer contemporary design. The beauty of this project lies in its flexibility. It can be tailored to fit any home decor style, making it a truly personalized piece. Once the design is conceived, the process of crafting the mirror frame begins. This stage is where creativity comes alive, as the wood is cut, shaped, and assembled. Using simple tools such as a saw, hammer, and drill, the project becomes accessible to woodworkers of all skill levels. The tactile nature of working with wood is immensely satisfying, allowing individuals to lose themselves in the rhythm of the craftsmanship. As each piece is fitted together, there's a palpable sense of accomplishment that grows with each step. This hands-on experience fosters mindfulness and focus, transforming what may initially seem like a simple project into a meditative practice. Incorporating LED lights into the mirror adds another layer of creativity and functionality. The soft glow of LED lights not only enhances the mirror's visual appeal but also serves practical purposes. Whether used for daily grooming or as ambient lighting, the illumination brings warmth to any space. The placement of the lights can also be an artistic decision. They can be embedded within the frame for a seamless look or arranged to create an eye-catching effect. This opportunity to experiment with lighting allows creators to further personalize their piece, making it a true reflection of their aesthetic vision. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. As the project progresses, the anticipation of seeing the final result builds. The moment when the mirror is assembled and the lights are turned on is nothing short of magical. The reflection in the mirror, enhanced by the soft glow of the LEDs, creates a stunning focal point in any room. This is where the hard work pays off, as the handmade piece not only serves a functional purpose, but also elevates the overall ambience of a space. The mirror becomes more than just a decorative item. It transforms into a statement piece that captures the essence of the creator's taste and creativity. Moreover, the act of creating this mirror goes beyond personal satisfaction. It fosters a sense of pride in craftsmanship. In a world filled with mass-produced items, there's something inherently rewarding about making something by hand. Each scratch, imperfection, and unique characteristic tells a story, a narrative of the time and effort invested in the creation process. This connection to the craft is deeply fulfilling as it highlights the value of individuality in a world that often prioritizes uniformity. Engaging in this artistic endeavor also opens doors to experimentation. As individuals gain confidence in their woodworking skills, they may find themselves inspired to take on more complex projects or variations of the mirror. Perhaps they'll explore different shapes or incorporate mixed materials, such as metal or glass, to create a more eclectic design. This willingness to experiment fosters a creative mindset that extends beyond woodworking, encouraging personal growth and exploration in various aspects of life. Furthermore, the completed mirror can serve as an excellent conversation starter. When friends and family visit, showcasing a handmade piece adds depth to the home's narrative. Sharing the story of how the mirror came to life, from selecting the wood to crafting and illuminating it, invites others into the creative journey. This sharing of experiences not only strengthens bonds but also inspires others to explore their own creative endeavors, fostering a community of makers and artists. In an increasingly digital world, where many are seeking tangible connections and experiences, engaging in a hands-on project like this offers a refreshing antidote. The tactile nature of woodworking and the satisfaction of creating something beautiful and functional allow individuals to step away from screens and immerse themselves in the present moment. This connection to the physical world is not only therapeutic but also rejuvenating, promoting mental well-being and a sense of fulfillment. As trends in home decor continue to evolve, the appeal of personalized, handcrafted items remains strong. The mirror embodies the essence of this trend, showcasing the beauty of unique creations that reflect individual style. By transforming scrap wood into a stunning piece of art, individuals not only enhance their living spaces, but also contribute to a more sustainable approach to home decor. This commitment to upcycling and resourcefulness resonates with the growing movement toward eco-conscious living, aligning personal creativity with environmental responsibility. Ultimately, the journey of creating a mirror from scrap wood is about more than just the finished product. It's a celebration of creativity, craftsmanship, and personal expression. Each step in the process, from selecting the wood to shaping it and incorporating lighting, invites individuals to engage with their artistic side and explore their unique tastes. This endeavor fosters a deeper appreciation for the materials and the craft, resulting in a beautiful piece that not only enhances the home but also embodies the spirit of creativity and individuality. As you consider embarking on this fulfilling project, remember that the process itself is just as important as the final result. Embrace the opportunity to create, explore, and express yourself through your work. The mirror will not only illuminate your space, but also serve as a lasting reminder of your creativity and dedication to craftsmanship, making it a cherished addition to your home for years to come. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked gorgeous mirror design ideas from scrap wood as Easy Woodcrafts project. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.